today's rapidly changing job market, staying up, a date with in-demand skills is essential to remain competitive and advance your career. Watch video to end. Discover the secret to career advancement. Master new skills today. Supercharge your skills with Fiverr Learn. Ready to take your career to the next level? Discover Fiverr Learn, your gateway to unlocking new skills and expertise. Why choose Fiverr Learn? Expert instructors. Learn from industry professionals who've mastered their craft. Our instructors are seasoned experts, ready to share their knowledge with you. Demand courses. Stay ahead in today's competitive job market with courses that cover the hottest skills and trends. From digital marketing to graphic design, we've got it all. Flexible learning. Life is busy, but learning should never be a hassle. Access courses anytime, anywhere, and at your own pace. Boost your earnings. Invest in yourself and watch your earning potential soar. New skills mean new opportunities, and Fiverr Learn can help you get there. Hot courses right now. Digital Marketing Mastery. Learn the secrets of online advertising, SEO, and social media marketing. Graphic Design Pro. Master Adobe Creative Suite and design like a pro. Freelancing success. Turn your skills into a thriving freelance career with insights from successful freelancers. Tech Wizardry. Dive into the world of coding and become a web development whiz. Ready to level up. Visit the link below. Thank you for watching video.